Hello everybody, welcome to the Grange Headteacher Video Assembly, 16th of November 2020. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. You know what we're aiming for. We want everybody to be caring. We want everybody trying their best. We want to always be learning, especially from our mistakes. We want to be going for improvement and progress. We want to use our education to help us to learn to make good choices in our lives. We want to never give up. What is true strength? We're always talking about that at Grange. How can we become stronger? We know there's physical strength, we know there's character strength, and we know that physical strength, yeah, it's important, but it is a lower level. The real strength is character strength, because you can overcome any challenge with character strength and you can win any battle in the end. Character strength can help you to solve problems. And the question you always need to be asking yourself is, which character strength are you going to use to solve the particular problem that you're facing at any point in your life? So there are what I call parent strengths. They're like the big group of strengths. And they're like parents, because from them come the children, and those are like the detailed little strengths that are part of each one of the parents' strengths. So, what have we learned so far? Well, we learned the parent strength of wisdom. Do you remember wisdom? We said it's not enough to just be intelligent or clever. Wisdom is when you really think deeply about everything that's happened to you in life, and you think deeply about everything you learn. You ask questions and you really, really try your best to understand it in your own way. That's wisdom. And then you use it to help you make great choices. And then we said the children character strengths, which make up wisdom, well, that was love of learning. So every time you have an opportunity to learn, like if you're sitting in a lesson right now, you decide, okay, I am going to enjoy my learning, and you have a positive attitude about your learning. And then curiosity. Anytime something comes up, you think, I'd like to find out a bit more about that. I'd like to ask some questions. I wonder what will happen. Maybe you're reading a story and you think to yourself, or there's a particular problem and you think, I wonder if I try this, maybe that would help things going forward. I mean, we're just seeing scientists who have real character strength of curiosity working so hard to develop vaccines that will help us with coronavirus. So that is wisdom. Then we learned about courage. Do you remember? We learned about courage, and that is not letting being scared hold you back from doing great things in life. And we learned the children character strength, which made up courage, which we learned about was bravery. So sometimes we are just scared to have a go because we think, oh, maybe I won't be good at it, or I'm a bit shy, or what if I make a mistake, or what if I embarrass myself? Bravery is, even though you're a bit scared, you decide, I'm going to have a go. Because when you have a go, there is no question, you always improve and you always do better. So we learned about bravery, which is having a go. And I'm so proud of all of you. I can see you every day having a go at your work and learning, and you're not afraid to make mistakes. You learn from your mistakes. You use the feedback, you get even better. Now, today we're going to learn about a big parent strength called transcendence, which is a big word and a hard word. Now, I'm going to use my love of learning and my curiosity. First, I'm going to wonder, what does this word actually mean? And then I'm going to go further. I'm going to think, where does this word even come from? I'm going to use my love of learning to look and see that this word comes from Latin. Do you remember the Romans? They were very good with language, and a lot of their language influences a lot of our European languages that we have, including English. So this word transcendence is made up of two parts. Trans means to cross, like if you've got a bridge going across from one side of the river to the other side of the river. And send means to climb. So you might have heard the word ascend with an A at the start, which means prefix, which means to go climb up, and descend, which means to climb down. But this word transcendence, when you put it together, means to cross over to a higher level. So to be on an even greater level than you were before. That's transcendence. And so real character strength that you were something, but you can become something even higher on a higher level. That's what transcendence is all about. Now, that's the parent strength. So the child strength, the detail, is gratitude that we're looking at today. And I love this emoji because it's attitude and gratitude. Because if you've got gratitude, it really helps you to develop your character strength and helps you to solve problems. So what does gratitude mean? Well, we all know gratitude means to say thank you. But what does it really mean? So I thought of 3 things that it needs. I actually got this from an excellent TEDx talk. YouTube has something called TEDx, which are fantastic talks. And there was a person talking about gratitude, and she broke it down into 3 things. She said, we need to really, really feel it. It's no good just saying thank you if you don't feel it and mean it. But if you feel it in your heart, well, then it starts becoming true gratitude. Also, it's no good just saying thank you, feeling gratitude inside yourself, but not really recognizing how important other people are in your life and other experiences are in terms of helping you to have a good life. So gratitude really needs one to recognize all the people that help me and all the experiences that really build me as a person. And the third thing is really practicing gratitude, saying and doing gratitude over and over again. So gratitude is really feeling it, really thinking about others and experiences that have helped you, and really saying it and doing it continuously and consistently. Now, I've got this guy, he's got a problem. And what problems does gratitude solve? And I don't want to give you answers because that's just my thoughts about it. And each one of us, I think that's part of developing character strength, is thinking about it. I'll just give you some thoughts from me that you can always discuss it with friends, with your teachers. Think about it. What problems does gratitude solve? One of the ones that I think it really helps with is when we have jealousy. So you see somebody else and they've got nicer things than you. I don't know, maybe they've got a nicer pencil case. Maybe their parents have got nicer cars, or they've got cars, or all sorts of things that other people have, and maybe we wish we had and we don't have. And then we start feeling jealous, and it starts making us miserable and starts making us not nice around people. But if you practice gratitude, if you start looking at what do I have and start being grateful, feeling grateful for what I have, and really, really recognizing that and saying and doing that, it stops making me feel jealous or miserable about what other people have. It makes me appreciate what I do have. So that's just one way, I think. The other thing is also sometimes, you see some people, they're so popular, they've got so many friends, they've got so many things around them. And then we start getting miserable because we think, oh, I wish I could have so many friends and I could be so popular. But then if you practice gratitude and you start not thinking about all the things that you don't have, all the friends that you don't have, but you start really, really, really appreciating the friends that you do have and the good things and kind things and helpful things they do for you and how nice it is to have them, you start feeling much better and you don't feel lonely, you feel really good. So that's just a way that gratitude can really help us to solve problems. I always love to have some powerful gratitude actions, some actions to help us practice it. So you could start the day with a Grange gratitude routine. Our Grange teachers were brilliant, used to do the Grange gratitude routine, start off the day and say, I'm grateful for, and sometimes people used to write or draw or discuss. So I think we need to get that Grange gratitude routine going again. First thing when we come into class in the morning, we should maybe write in a book, I'm grateful for, and think about the things I'm grateful for and just have a gratitude moment. Also, we are going to introduce the Grange Harvest. So for Harvest Festival, each class collected so many things and so many people were so grateful, and it just made people who needed things just happy because we were able to share so much food. So I think we're going to start trying to do that at Grange. If anybody's got a chance, maybe in their shopping, they can just add 1 or 2 little things and we can put them in our baskets at Grange. And then every week, if there's anybody amongst us or amongst others who needs help, we can be there to help them. And that is gratitude, because by helping others, it also makes us realize everything we've got. And then also, and this is something you would have to do by yourself, you can end your day while you're lying, getting ready for sleep, by just sort of saying, these are the things I'm grateful for today. These are the things that went well today. It doesn't have to be long, but it's just nice to do it every night. And apparently the scientific research, if you do that for 2 weeks, you actually feel better. And you don't stop at 2 weeks, you keep going. We know the Grange CC way, confident and considerate. We know we want to give love to ourselves and care about ourselves and be confident inside ourselves. And we want to be considerate, we want to care about the world and make the world a better place. It's a philosophy for life. It's our very own Grange School philosophy. We've got CC lining up, so when we're getting ready to do something, we get ourselves ready properly. We have CC walking, so that when we walk around our school confidently and considerately, we are all proud of our school, make our school a great place to be. We have CC learning, where we listen well, we participate when it's time to participate. We're not scared of making mistakes. We learn from our mistakes and use feedback, and we engage. We always have a go. We're brave. So stars of the week, let's see, gold. Well done, Ronessa, proud of you. Well done, Leland, that is great to see. And we're proud of our gold stars in Year 3 and 4. Grange House of Water, 2,410 points. And let's see, we've got Aini, we've got Deja, we've got Hodan, we've got Karunyan, we've got Amar, we've got Sammy, we've got Maya, we've got Semina, Joseph, Louisa, Logan, Ashvini, Bassett, Irfan, Natalia with 48, Zainab with 56, and Khalif with 94. Well done, House of Water. Proud of you. House of Fire, 2597. And look at all of you. Grange House of Fire, Abdi Rahman, Daim, Maria V, Zohal, Kayhan, Jori, Amar, Yakub, Vienna, Kamani, Aaron, Sarah, Tiago, Hasunat, Nia with 29, Dolly with 35, Rocky Sun with 36, Adam M 37, Pfizer 41, Jalal 42, and Branshika Brilliant 78. Grange House of Air, we have got Yaksh Talha, brilliant to see you, Ananya, Fahad, Andrada, Anaya, Daria, Martina, Diana, Lauren, Yasin, and Ibrahim O, brilliant. And Nikki with 40, and Anna Maria with 40 points, and Uzair with 55. That's brilliant. So, Grange House of Earth, let's see you. Catalina, what a great start at Grange, 19 points. Louisa B on 22, Jade on 24, Lorik 24, Afshin, Afsa, Hassan H 26, Ronessa, Vladut, brilliant. Abu, Nur, Sanuja, excellent with 39, Maria A 40, Asia 40, Nahara 42, and Hussein A 43. Well done. So our whole Grange community this week got 11,448 points, which is brilliant. And who were my classy classes? Well, Enna's class did really well with 615 points. Beckham class were brilliant with 622. Lister class, 872 points. You are my classy class of the week. Well done. So our autumn one total was 47,561 points. And our half-term target for this half-term, we wanted to get to 50,000 points, so beat that 47,561. And so far, we've got 21,566 points, so we're well on target. We got Freddie to come in and give us a lovely visit last half-term and this half-term, and we're really working hard, and we're well on our way towards a visit from real, live reindeer for Christmas. So do your bit, have courage, be your best, be a great Grange CC learner. I'm looking forward to Christmas already. Be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.